EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for August 20th, 2019. We'll have another hot and humid day again today, with still an isolated chance for a thunderstorm, heat of the day kind of variety type thunderstorms this afternoon and early evening. I think we're dealing with generally a 3 to 9 p.m. window for any thunderstorm activity today, what's pretty much been the case for the last couple of days. We've had mainly a mid-afternoon, mid-evening threat for thunderstorms, and that will be again today, but only in certain spots, and it should be relatively isolated. But for those of you who follow these videos generally every single day, if you hear me talk every single day or any of these past couple of days, we were talking about how these models were not indicating very much activity, and then all of a sudden you see a little bit more in actuality of the day of. Okay, so again, we're having a situation here where here's looking at 3 p.m., not much going on here at this point. Then you see some isolated activity across mainly southeast PA from about I-78 and point south in Pennsylvania. You see some isolated pop-up stuff here, and this very well could be what it looks like. Okay, but just going by what we've seen since, last Friday now, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I've seen a little bit more coverage than what the models are trying to sell. So these models are trying to guess. This is a simulated radar, and it's guessing at where the best convection will be. It doesn't mean it's going to be exactly here or this little bit like it's showing right here. It could be a little bit more extensive than this, and actually would probably lean on the side of a little bit more extensive coverage than what it's trying to sell, because that's what it's been doing for the past couple of days. All right, so this goes through. This is 5 p.m. Here's 6, here's 7, here's 8, here's 9, and then it goes away. You have no threat there. Might be a shower or storm isolated overnight. You can see that here in north central Pennsylvania, here shown by the NAM high-res Future simulated radar. Then once we get to Wednesday, we think we'll have a little bit better of an opportunity for scattered thunderstorms late in the day, moving through the region. It's probably be very late in the day, though. It looks like as we're heading toward evening, could be a line of showers and thunderstorms. This is not with a cold front, though. There's going to be a cold front coming through on Thursday, not Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be a prefrontal trough, so it's still going to remain quite warm through at least Wednesday, perhaps even Thursday for our far southeastern regions, southeast of I-95, and that would be another day of a potential 90-degree day for places like Philadelphia and points south and east. So we have the opportunity for isolated thunderstorms today. As we get into Wednesday, I think late Wednesday, you have a scattered chance of thunderstorms. A little bit better of a chance, probably instead of just being a 30% chance like today, we're talking about 60% chance on Wednesday. So that's pretty high. And then we go to Thursday, the actual cold front moves through. Opportunity for scattered thunderstorms again, even though the models here, this is the global models, not suggesting anything. Let's see if the NAM goes that far. Probably does not. No, it doesn't. Okay, so we don't have that in range yet, but we'll see how that goes. We do have a 40% chance of thunderstorms here on Thursday with the actual cold front moving through. And once that moves through, we're going to have an incredibly refreshing change. Cold front moves off to the south, and then we have a Canadian trough coming into the region, which will be very, very welcome. Okay, I know you guys, a lot of you are heat lovers, and maybe some of you want that to continue longer than just what we've had this summer. But we've had a long summer, okay, and we're not getting to the end of August, and I know a lot of you out there are saying, all right, enough's enough, I'm ready for some refreshing temperatures. We're going to have some September-like temperatures coming in on Friday. That's going to last right through the weekend. Very nice weekend coming up here with partly cloudy skies here Friday, and then mostly sunny skies on Saturday. High pressure is going to be sitting right here. All right, so that's going to be some very cool temperatures coming in for Saturday. I think a lot of areas will not get out of the 70s for highs on Saturday, and maybe even low to mid 70s up here in the Poconos, so it'll be even nicer there yet. Once we get to Sunday, same thing, mostly sunny skies, temperatures in generally the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. And we might step up a little bit in temperatures by the time we get to Monday, but I mean, we're still talking about 80, 82-ish. It's nothing really crazy as far as temperatures. Have we seen our last heat wave of the summer? Very possible. Okay, very possible. Our long-range projections that go through actually the third week of September suggest that we will be kind of near to slightly above average for the first half of the month. We might turn to above average the third week of September, like the middle, which would be the middle of the month up through the end of the third week, where you have above average temperatures during that week. But it's going to be above average relative to normal time or normal highs for that time of year. You got to remember, temperatures are slowly going down in terms of averages, daily averages. So it might be, average high might be 81, 82, 83 right now, and you're getting 90, 92, which is above average. When we get to September 15th, average highs are generally in the mid-70s. So we're probably not seeing 90 again. Not completely shutting it off, but there's a possibility you might see your last stretch of 90s of what we're dealing with currently, which will go through Wednesday of this week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for August 20th, 2019. Have a great Tuesday.